Welcome back! Let's make pesto at home. Is your pesto not green enough? Or not creamy enough? Or maybe not tasty enough? Or are you simply tired of that stupid chemical pesto you keep on buying at the supermarket? Well, today we are sharing all the secrets of homemade pesto, from basil to fork in 15 minutes. And that's how we do it.
The first thing you need to know is that pesto can be made with every kind of fresh edible herbs. Today we are making the most famous, pesto alla Genovese, using basil leaves. We have some beautiful basil plants on our terrace, and whenever I need some basil, I just go outside and pinch off each leaf of basil at their base. Another thing is to start harvesting basil leaves from the top of the plant, where more foliage will quickly fill in. It's also very likely to find some bugs, so be careful not to squeeze a smelly green bug. This leads to the next step. We need to wash the basil under fresh current water to remove any dirt and bugs.
Just as you know, this is about 50 grams of basil leaves. If you find some leaves that are bad, like this one, you just throw them away.
After that, we place the basil leaves on a cloth and we dab it to remove water in excess. Let's now talk about the second most important ingredient of this recipe: cheese. You can use shredded Parmigiano cheese, sweeter and full of umami, or pecorino cheese, stronger in taste and saltier. Or you can use them both. Let's say 50% Parmigiano and 50% pecorino cheese. Today we use 100 grams of 24 months aged Parmigiano Reggiano, finely shredded with this incredible light blue zester. Chatters apart, this preparation really takes 10 minutes. We will also need 1 or 2 cloves of good quality garlic, pine nuts or any nuts you like, extra virgin olive oil, better if sweet or very light, and 3 cubes of ice to make our pesto shine like a green emerald.
And that's it, you guys, that's all you need to make pesto. Just as easy as that.
So let's fill the mixer with the basil leaves that you can push down a little. We need 1 or 2 cloves of good quality garlic. We peel the clove and we remove the sprouts inside. Then we add it to the mixer, along with the pine nuts or any nuts you like, then the shredded Parmigiano cheese. Then pour 150 ml of extra virgin olive oil, better if sweet or very light, and don't forget to put 3 cubes of ice. Mix it at high speed for just 1 or 2 minutes.
If necessary, you can add a pinch of salt.
Okay, when the ingredients are all combined and the pesto is smooth and green, just like you, then we are good to go. Take your time to enjoy the beauty of this pesto, its color and its fragrance. Just pour your pesto in the container, leaving enough room to cover it up with some olive oil. Then close it tight and store it. You can store it in the fridge or in the refrigerator in a airtight container. We can't wait to taste our homemade pesto. So we cook some fusilli and we serve it with this indulgent, fresh and garlicky pesto. We just add the drained pasta to a bowl with the pesto we just made and we toss it well. We just don't need to add a thing. Plate it up and celebrate this dish with more shredded cheese and some pine nuts on top. If you're looking for something special for a wow effect, get yourself some stracciatella cheese and mazzara red prawns, or any prawns that can be eaten raw. That's actually my favorite dish in the world. Give it a try!
Are you still going to buy pesto at the supermarket, or are you convinced to make it easily at home? Don't buy pesto, make pesto. Bye!